I had a great time with Juan Morales. I had a great time with the team, and it was very eye-opening seeing the students and how inspired they were when they saw our technicians actually working with them, when they saw what a true professional looks like, and be able to interact with those people in our society who are making confidence happen by repairing our automobiles, making sure those automobiles are reliable, but most importantly, making sure those automobiles are safe.
Every day, daily basis, we talk to our students about the importance of learning the skill sets that they need to be successful technicians in the automotive industry. We reinforce the learning that goes on in the classroom, but it really brings it to light, and they get to hear from professionals such as Cavender Toyota, Cavender Audi, and they get a chance to talk to their service managers, get a chance to talk to some of the technicians, and really get to understand the reason why it's important to learn those skills, become certified in the automotive industry. Students basically get to build connections, they get to network with industry professionals, and we want them to become successful stories that they can pass along as they become professionals, and in the future they can come in and basically coach our students to continue that career.